Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Stellar or XLM. Wanted to do a bit of an update. I know quite a lot of you are interested in this, and I cover XRP daily, right? So if you want to know what's going on with XLM, watching my XRP videos does the trick. Usually as well. I mean, it's not 100% correlated, of course, so that's also why I wanted to give you my thoughts on it right now. But it is very correlated to a very high extent. But yeah, let's get right into it. So XLM itself, I mean, if we take a look at all the circumstances around XLM right now, XRP itself is consolidating. All right. So my assumption is that XLM is also consolidating. Now, I must say that in terms of volume, XLM actually does look a little bit better. I mean, the volume is up 20%. That's more than XRP. And I'm not sure how the open interest is doing. Yeah, open interest is still kind of similar. I mean, what you very often see, and you can see that down here as well, is that if XLM actually turns bullish, we see some sort of an increase in the leveraged momentum coming in. So that's open interest. It's basically perpetual futures contracts being opened. Could be longs or could be shorts, but very often what you see is that, well, if we actually start to see a steep increase of that, almost every time, that's a massive indication of more bullish momentum coming. So this is, I mean, in general, I mean, if you just want a very simple guide of when to know whether XLM is going to rally, keep an eye on the open interest. That's all. And then maybe add the CVD, the cumulative volume delta, to actually gain an idea of whether it's longs or shorts, because it could also be a lot of shorts being opened if some people, if something happens, if some insiders know something, who knows. But for now, like I said, I mean, it's still too early to really call this anything. Because of the volume, I tend to look at this and say, well, I think we're going to see some more bullish momentum. Because a volume increase of 20% is quite decent. And then if you combine that with the way the market is looking, Bitcoin is still consolidating, but it looks quite likely that we're moving into the top of the range at least here. So that's at least somewhat some more bullish momentum. And then with the way the Bitcoin dominance is moving, who knows what that can mean for altcoins. Altcoins could move much higher than Bitcoin, because this remaining Bitcoin move is not that much, assuming that we're not going to break out of the range. Because if we will, that means a lot. So for me, looking at XLM right now, the one thing that makes me slightly cautious is that the open interest is still up almost nothing compared to the other two times that we rallied. But because of the volume increase and because of XRP actually looks quite decent as well. And the lower time frame technicals, I mean, what you can see, for example, is that we broke down below the 200 EMA. But we have broken back above that, and you can also see that's in terms of the price, we have broken above a relatively strong level here at 43 cents. Now I must say we are still in a cluster filled with key levels, so does it mean that much? No. But there are all these early indications that we can actually move up. And if I combine those with the way I see the market right now, I would say it's most likely that those are enough to actually cause some bullish momentum for XLM right here. Now, the main level I'm looking at then as resistance for now is quite conservative, but that's the level around 46 and 47 cents. All right, that's a major high time frame resistance level. I think it's most likely we're going up there, but if we want to break above that, I would need to see, and I will keep you updated on this if you're interested in that, but I would need to see a continued open interest increase and more volume. All right, let's say $650 million in spot volume. If that happens, we can break out. For now, I would say this is most likely, and that we will then reject back down. Those are my thoughts. That's what you'll have to do it with. If you disagree, that's fine. We can always discuss it in the Telegram or the Discord group, so make sure to join that. In general, great groups. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.